रिक्शा कितने साल से चला रहे हो रिक्शा?
40 साल से चला रहे हैं।
40 साल से रिक्शा चला रहे हो? आपने रिक्शा खुद बनाई है ये?
हाँ, मेरे अपने हाथों से।
वो आपने तो अलग अलग कस्टमर देखे रहेंगे रोज।
नहीं, मैं खुद अकेले चलाती हूँ।
अकेले चलाते हो? ये क्या स्पॉट है? देखो
अब पहला कस्टमर हो।
पहला कस्टमर।
हाँ।
तो ऐसा रिक्शा चलाने का इतना अच्छा बॉडी मेंटेन करने का कैसे करते हो?
बस मैं और मेरी नीलम घूमने चले जाते हैं।
आपकी रिक्शा का नाम नीलम है?
रिक्शा का नाम नहीं है, रिक्शा है नीलम।
तो वही होगा ना।
नीलम है ये, नीलम बुलाओ उसको।
मैं सुना आपको फास्ट चलाने को अच्छा लगता है।
अभी नीलम जैसे बोलेगी वैसे चलाएंगे ना, हमारा कहाँ कुछ चलता है इधर।
और नीलम का फेवरेट पार्ट क्या है? मतलब ऐसा स्ट्रेट रास्ता या घाट या चढ़ान या उतार?
नीलम को सब पसंद है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा उसको ये पसंद है जब मैं उसको चलाती हूँ।
अच्छा अच्छा, बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है आपका नीलम के साथ।
मैं और नीलम एकदम जुड़े हुए हैं।
बच्ची बनता है वो।
हाँ। अब नीलम को भी भूख लगी है, मुझे भी भूख लगी है। अभी खिलाने वाला कोई नहीं है।
नीलम तो पेट भर के खा ली कल।
खाली हो गया आधा पेट उसका।
सच्ची?
हाँ,
चलो भराते नीलम।
कराते पर।
I covered good 80 kilometers right now, and we just have like maybe more 70 to go. And wow, this is an amazing location. We've just stopped here because there's this one hotel that we saw that's open, and we thought we'll just grab some coffee. We already have our breakfast with us. Let me show you what we have for breakfast. So this is our breakfast sandwich and bananas, and the host, where we were staying, we actually told her that we're leaving early in the morning, like by 6, and so she told that you guys are going to miss breakfast because breakfast starts at 8. So we told her that if she could just pack us some sandwich and maybe some fruits. We don't need like a whole proper like breakfast. This should be fine just for the road. And so she said yes, that would work. And yeah, so we have like a few sandwiches and bananas, and we're just gonna eat that right over here. I think I really like this location. It's so nice. Like you can just stop anywhere with a tuk-tuk. Look at the road, all empty and in the greens completely. Like it's lovely. What even is life now? We're here having coffee on a random street in a very new country for us. Randomly being able to like take stops, see a very random Komodo on the road.
This is cross country ride with fog.
Cross country कैसे हुआ? We are not crossing the country on a ride.
You did cross the country. You went from
Which?
Colombo to Sigiriya.
अरे that's not a country.
इसको क्रॉस कंट्री ही बोलते हैं।
नहीं,
हाँ।
क्रॉस सिटी बोलते हैं।
नहीं।
क्रॉस कंट्री is you crossing one country to another country.
No.
It's not one town to another town.
Cross country is even if you go from LA to New York. कल ही अपन देख रहे थे जेट पर।
अरे LA to
should be a nice cross country ride.
अरे because they are different countries.
Which country? She just got a realization.
Wait, let me think about
But
it.
yes, this is a cross country that we are doing from Colombo से सिगिरिया से लेके कैंडी से लेके एला से लेके अभी हम मिरिसा जा रहे हैं। And this girl has been riding like a storm. कहाँ से करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं? हाँ?
बस भगवान का दिया हुआ सब है।
You know her छोड़ गंदा जोकता है। 4th is her favorite number. 4th bass, 4th gear.
Mango. Yay, we arrived. Okay, quick room tour. Like we booked a private room at 1 Minute Mirasa, and this is the room. Like once you enter, it's a fully air conditioned room. I hope yes. And yeah, fairly decent, nice. It looks really clean, and I think even the aesthetics are on point. There's also like a dining table. I don't know why is it facing that words, but it's alright. That's the queen size bed, and that's a mirror to like probably get ready. Stuff to keep, like there's not a lot of storage space, but that's okay. And this is the washroom. Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, really cool and decent. Thanks. What's the switch for this light? Okay, got it. And that's the open space. This is our tuk-tuk. Obviously I just parked it right here in front of the mango, and I think this is gonna look really cool in the evening. There's like lights all around. I don't think there's anyone right now, but yeah, I think everyone will be here chilling maybe in the evening or something. Oh, this is also a very cool chill spot. Very nice. I love it. I think that's the kitchen, and the oh, there's also a menu. Oh, they have a food menu. Okay, all right, nice. Hi Shadow. Hi Shadow.
She's a Rottweiler.
Hi Shadow.
She could eat us if she wants.
She can eat me?
Yeah,
Don't
she
eat me.
wishes.
Hi.
You should see her teeth.
No.
Hey.
So I quickly had a shower, and now we are getting out to find some food. It's really hot in here. Yeah, and this is the new hat that I got from Mirisa right now. It's a straw hat, and I never owned one, so I thought it would be a nice thing to like get. Sagar, is money change here itself. Also, it's very noisy out here. And also it's very hot, so probably like we're just gonna eat something and then get back to the room and maybe sleep, because you know we woke up at like 6 a.m. So let's see. Anyway, we also are running a little out of money, so we want to get our cash converted again. Found one right here. Oh, we are staying at 1 minute Mirisa. Someone's underwear is drying. Vegan ice cream. Well, this is the vibe of Mirisa right now. I think nobody's out here, but we are staying literally on the main road, which is barely like 2 minutes away from the beach. I'm gonna show you the beach in a bit. As in the evening. Because right now we just want to eat something. We've ordered for Sri Lankan rice and
I think
curry.
this is like a go-to meal.
Yeah, it's very comforting rather than all those different things. We like it so much already.
Many hours later.
We are in Mirisa and we're gonna go find a nice sunset spot. Google shows that we either need to go to Parrot Rock or Coconut Tree Hill. So let's see whatever comes first. We are at the Coconut Tree point. And it's really nice, by the way. Yeah, got some nice pictures, like quickly got some pictures, but it's a little crowded, so yeah, you really gotta get your spot. But we're here because it's also one of the good sunset spot in Mirisa, but unfortunately it's a little cloudy today too, so the sun right behind the clouds over there. But yeah, we're all just enjoying and chilling. Yeah, everyone's just chilling, I think, all for the same purpose of watching the sunset. We saw like a very good sunset and it was amazing. Highly recommend you to like go at that spot, which is the Coconut Tree Hill. It was a bit crowded, so we reached a little early and we got a good spot and we got great pictures as well. Now we're just like sitting at some cafe cum bar. Yeah, we're just sitting at some cafe on the main street and just having beer. Cheers. Cheers, mate. chilled beer is what we need in this weather because it's too hot. We're literally in the supermart of this because I have a surfing session tomorrow morning. I've just got myself a yogurt to eat before my session tomorrow. And there are like lots of options, like there's a drinking yogurt as well, and then there's fruits and yeah, a lot of things. So I was probably taking bread because he's hungry right now. It's nice. A lot of fresh veggies as well if you're staying in a homestay or something, and you can cook your own meal. A lot of carrots too. You're looking for ice cream?
Chocolate.
No ice cream? Coconut bars. I can't eat a whole ice cream, so I can't. As a whole, I don't know. I can never eat anything like complete pura dish mera hi. Guys, we just got done with our bill, and always check your bill because this is the third time it's happening here in SL Sri Lanka that we have overpaid for something, or maybe we've like not bought that thing but it's in our bill. So I asked the cashier to like show me the bill before like paying, and she gave it to me, and she just called someone else and she was like okay, just come and this is not yours and cancel. I mean, it was like the 7th or 8th item. I don't know how that just came in the bill. That's super weird.
What was the item?
Morocco. The ice cream is good. Even before, I have not spoken about this because I thought it was a genuine mistake. But now I'm actually considering if this is really a genuine mistake or not. So, yeah, just like always be safer than sorry. Okay, we're back at our hostel, and it's super like nice and quiet here, even though it's on the main road. Shadow, what's up? Shadow. Anyway, I've got some unfinished work, so I'm gonna quickly do that and then go to sleep early again because tomorrow I'm gonna go surfing. Did I tell you that already? Yeah, I think I did. Tomorrow I'm gonna go surfing, so I'm so excited about that. It's been a while since I surfed. I don't know, I think the last I surfed was in Thailand, which was 6 to 7 months ago. So yeah, I am pretty excited. Let's go for it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna just end this vlog right here, and tomorrow you can see like in the next vlog you'll see a better version. Like let me rephrase this. In tomorrow's vlog or in the next vlog, you will see like me surfing in Sri Lanka. So yeah, like I'm so excited. I've surfed in Goa, I've surfed in Thailand, and now I'm gonna surf in Sri Lanka. And Sri Lanka, in Velinga, that's known for surfing, and there are a lot of spots. Even like one of my the first coach, like the first teacher, surfing teacher that I had, Mike, he is currently in Sri Lanka right now. So I hope I bump into him, and he's the one who can give me lessons, but unfortunately he's not like teaching right now. But yeah, I'm just so excited that I get to surf here in Sri Lanka. Let's go. Good night.